420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, and sorry for the garbled voice here and a reuse of a previous video, but I'm sick as all get out. And I got an email today from AC Infinity, and there was some alarming news that for some reason, somehow, somebody has put my coupon code 420 things on a coupon code site. Now, I've had to change my coupon code. So my new coupon code with 420 things, or with AC Infinity, is going to be 420 things grow, just like the old slogan. But I don't know. I didn't do this, and it's against their policies to post your code on like a third-party site, like a promo code site. I get it. I didn't do it. I don't know why it's there. I don't know if somebody from the channel did it just because they thought it was a good idea. Please don't. It's not a good idea. I don't want to lose out on this. I like AC Infinity products. I've done a bunch of reviews with them. I've given some of this stuff away, as you guys know. So it's one of those things where, well, maybe somebody had good intentions. It's not. It's not allowed. So I've reached out to the website that had it, and I've asked them to remove it. And also I've changed my coupon code. So it's a bit of a pain. But if you're looking for any AC Infinity products now moving forward, my old code won't work. Use the new one, 420 things grow. It's a pain in the butt because every single one of my codes is 420 things, but that won't work anyway, so don't use it, don't try it. Try the new one, 420 things grow. All one word at checkout at AC Infinity's website, and you'll get your 10%. And the channel will also get a cut, and we'll be able to keep bringing you products and reviews like this one that I reused here for the T6. I do have one of their new lights coming. I purchased it just actually today, and it's coming. There'll be an unboxing. I got to pick it up in the States. I'm getting it down there while I'm down there at a friend's place for a weekend in a couple weeks. So it won't be for a while, but I'm going to be doing a full grow, full everything, top to bottom, in and out, AC Infinity in the 2x4 coming up here in a couple weeks. I'll be starting recording and grading videos. So, like I said, thanks for supporting the channel, guys and girls, but please don't add my coupon code to anything. It's going to get me in trouble, and I don't want that to happen. So, thanks, but no thanks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Yeah.